Kakenhun ki Samla pule jang ka St Anthony's College kapala tip kum ka drama club harengkat ka jinga trailang ber ka English department hakajan mi jang ka live ho tarek yayong kala Pynshoh Biej ki Nongpeitkai da ka jinga lekai drama Lyngkot chapang ka jing im ka Sohlyngngem bat urenyau rengkat ki jing ruai ki jing tem jing put ki bayadei bat ka ni ka drama Lyngkot hakani ka sniru la pelai ka music video ka balai kerteng Door to Love kabala shna bat penbit penbiang da ka drama club hakabala dan rengkat lang da principal ka St Anthony's College Father Arcadius Puwen bat kibala shakhot ngobha habayakren shekila pathai Khubor ka Dr Amanda Tongper badai ka Nongpeitkai jong ka English department St Anthony's College kalayat ho baka jing penlong yakani ka drama Lyngkot kalong ban penslur ki Samla pule bat ban pen I ya ka sap ka phong baki don
This time we address your love for India. Pilaya Muta, Naabnai, and this has been brought to my attention by your mother. As custom rules, it is my duty as a Nirama to proceed with such a matter.
It is true. I do love you. I would like to engage you. I may not have informed you earlier when I went to seek your blessing in all this work.
See?
No! You're done or not? But you're done? Marriage? What are you thinking? I don't want to hear another word! Sit down and listen to what my husband has to say! This is the thing of my life! It's not the other! You know people!
Do you know who we are? To people like you now, we are only the speck of dust. Your parents, they carry a heavy burden, a mortgage to the life and the sunnah. Your brother, he has his duties as a father and the future me. Your love for him now is so happy to lessen this burden. Kunum, you are her father. She might just listen to what you have to say. Please explain like you want.
Yes, I'm fine.
Siapa? This is what I was telling you earlier. Goodbye, poor Khuborjylla. The Khuborjylla was nothing. I didn't realize how lovely, but what's the matter could be not shared. Ngate, ngaman, ngaman. I don't desire. I don't. Next part, I belong.
You don't make it go. Are you guys shouting? I'm just don't make it go. Tang, ding, sudah. Why would you want to settle for someone who looks young eventually and disrespect him?
He wouldn't.
Trust me, he will. Yes, we know. He is the son of a wealthy merchant in the plains. He is a well-to-do man. Who are we? We're farmers. We're beneath them. We're poor and dirty. And we can fly.
I don't object to it. It is made in my head. You are allowed to choose your own path.
We didn't come to you to mean any matter words. Lost!
Then what am I here for? To see quite in the corner when you pick around to yourself. For you to yell and shout so that the whole world can hear about what I'm doing. To watch my sister's heart shattered into 1,000 pieces? Or am I just here to be a witness? To please you? To not my help like me? If so, I should just leave. I don't want to be part of his schemes.
Just because you left your mother's house and got married You think you understand the matter better? Kenal bah, member dari hak, Yunai kasih.
Nggak benar-benar understand ya, Bre? Mama tidak percaya. Jangan Tessa. You know what, Tessa? Kamu gini, Ma. Ni mau beli, Ma. Why this is happening now? Why do I have to be poor? Why must I be forbidden to love? Nobody has ever shown me as much love and attention as he has. None of you cared. You never bothered to check on me. And he promised me, Khuborjylla pulang di Nongpeitkai. Khuborjylla? What stupid commitment did he make? You believe it? His tactics? Wow! Confrontation na kayo katanya. When he's done with you, you'll be thrown out. Hari ka kondo! What can I say, Khubor? There's a devil you know. You have nothing to talk. Kapan?
Go, Biej. Extend it kita. Sebab ada lelak pakai dia terus jawab. You cannot talk like that. She is yours as much as he's mine.
Go back. It's go back. What problem has it got? It is because of this behavior. You have filled her head with ideas. Ideas that will reach his family. Ideas that will reach her.
The children.
We don't want to continue fighting over a matter that could have been resolved already. Please. So, if you have any love left for me, for us, leave him. Let him go.
Are you done crying? Or do I need to fetch you a bucket?
What is it?
I can still recall the first time I spoke to you both in the fields. You were having a hard time showing him the difference between wild herbs and weeds, and he was equally and successfully trying to teach you how to play the game. You smiled at you so the sun. I knew then this would be a trouble. I told myself that always going to get you into some kind of mess you won't easily sweep out of the room.
Look, see, I saw you right now.
I was, wasn't I?
More than you think.
My head didn't leave anything unsaid.
He said I was a fool. That love is no shame for those who can afford it. And that I brought shame to this family. Your mother issues.
You know, my head, he can be quite mean, but that is only because he's trying to protect you. But yes, your heart beats in the sky, so.
And you? What do you think about? Am I really bringing shame upon this family? Am I really bringing this
believe love is in greatness. However, in love, and when love makes you small just to endure, then perhaps it's no longer love, it's sacrifice. You have already shared so much of yourself here. So much.
I did mine, and I still don't. But when my head said all those words to me, I broke it. I broke.
I know. You're not the type of person who breaks down easily. But when you do, it means something stronger.
You always make it sound simpler than it is.
No. I just say things you already know, but you tell me. Look. Late in my head. Sure. The voices are loud, but it's not going on. If you love him, tell him the truth. Let him carry some of this weight too.
I'm not going to share how to do that. I cannot just do whatever I want. What if the truth says no?
Then you'll know his love was never strong enough to stand his hand. If you stay silent, it will not be for me. So speak. Speak before the silence grows louder than enough.
You always braver than me.
No, I'm your brother, and that's my job.
I
First of all, I want to thank you so much for coming and enjoying the play. We hope we gave you a good show. The play is called Sohlyngngem, a musical. It's made by the students of the Drama Club, Department of English, St. Anthony's College. The script was written by the students. The songs, there were 8 songs. They were all composed by the students. And the stage design was also done by the students. So really, credit goes to them. The aim and objective of the drama club is to encourage students to showcase their talent, be it in writing, designing, singing, dancing. The music video is called Door to Love. It's written by Samuel Chanki Lingdo, written and composed by Samuel Chanki Lingdo, and the music video is sponsored by the media production house Roots Kithetan Rai, and so we're releasing it right about now, actually at 7:30. Thank you. You know, the music video was never the plan. The plan from the start with the drama club is just for students with talent to come together and do something. And we started off very small, started off writing a song or 2, and from there it grew. And right about now, in 3 years, we have 22 original songs. And so the song Door to Love is one of those songs, really, which is a crowd pleaser, but that's not to say that it's an absolutely beautiful song. And you can watch it on the St. Anthony's College channel on YouTube. The drama club is coordinated by the Department of English, St. Anthony's College.